The timeless comfort of the Bahia House. This stunning home isn't about the latest gadgets or high-tech systems. Instead, it embraces the wisdom of traditional architecture, proving that simple design can be incredibly sustainable. We often think of sustainable homes as these ultra-modern structures loaded with fancy tech. But the Bahia House challenges that notion. It proves that creating a comfortable and eco-friendly environment doesn't require the latest and greatest gizmos. Instead, the Bahia House focuses on smart design principles and local, readily available materials. This approach not only reduces the home's environmental impact but also connects it to the rich architectural heritage of Brazil. The Bahia House draws inspiration from generations of Brazilian builders who mastered the art of keeping cool in scorching temperatures. Long before the concept of sustainable architecture even existed, they were crafting homes perfectly suited to the hot and humid climate. These traditional houses utilized readily available materials like clay and wood, creating roofs and ceilings that naturally insulated interiors. The secret sauce of the Bahia House lies in its clever design. Large panels, called mashrabiya, a beautiful element of Portuguese colonial architecture, adorn the openings. These intricate wooden structures offer shade and privacy while still allowing refreshing breezes to flow through, but the magic doesn't stop there. The entire floor plan revolves around a central patio. This ingenious layout facilitates cross-ventilation, ensuring a cool and airy atmosphere throughout the house. The result of these thoughtful design choices is a home that feels like a sanctuary from the scorching sun. Stepping inside the Bahia House is like stepping into a cool oasis. Natural light bathes the interior, and gentle breezes keep the air fresh and comfortable. The Bahia House isn't just a beautiful example of sustainable living, it's also a source of inspiration for modern architects. Brazilian modernism has embraced these traditional elements, integrating them into contemporary designs. The Bahia House exemplifies how timeless design principles can be seamlessly blended with modern aesthetics. The Bahia House isn't just about keeping cool, it's about fostering a connection with nature. The central patio creates an outdoor living space, blurring the lines between inside and outside. The surrounding garden with its lush greenery further enhances this connection. This philosophy of living in harmony with the environment is a core principle of sustainable living, and the Bahia House embodies it beautifully. The Bahia House stands as a testament to the enduring power of traditional design wisdom. It proves that creating a comfortable and sustainable home doesn't require breaking the bank on high-tech solutions. By embracing simple, well-honed design principles and readily available materials, the Bahia House offers a blueprint for eco-friendly living that's both timeless and inspiring. So, if you're looking for a way to create a sustainable home that prioritizes your comfort and celebrates the natural world, the Bahia House might just be the perfect inspiration. It is important to remember that home is not just a place to live, but also a place where we can gather with family and loved ones. Therefore, it is important to choose a home design that suits your needs and lifestyle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss our latest videos. See you in the next video.